Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Mothichoor Ladoo. For that I am taking 2 cups of besan flour. So for this quantity I got 30 ladoos. And I am taking a half a pinch of orange food color. You can avoid it if you don't want. Mix it well. So here I am adding 1.5 cups of water. Beat it without having any lumps. If you have a beater, you can use it. It will be easy. So I am using with spoon. Mix it well. I'm taking. So it almost. I have taken 1.5 cups of water. It should be very thin. The batter should be very thin. I'll show you the consistency. See, that's how it should be. Little thinner than the dosa batter. So I'm adding half a tablespoon of baking soda. It's just a pinch of baking soda. And mix it well. So once the oil is heaten up, take a oil for the deep fried. So for mothi, I am taking a grater. In grater, I am taking a small holes. You can use this. You can use the grater to make mothi. Choose the small, make in the small hole side because the Mothichoor Ladoos will be small mothis. See, they didn't absorb much oil. They are very dry. Okay, you can repeat the process. So if you follow the method which I am saying, it's very easy to make Mothichoor Ladoo. So what are you all making for Diwali? Let me know in comments. See, you can see the mothis are so fine and they didn't even absorb much oil. They are so dry. So I'm repeating the process. Please try my dishes which I published before and let me know how they turned out. See, here I am taking out all the big chunks. We'll get some big chunks. So I am removing all of them. So you are not going to waste them. You just need to grind them in a pulse mode and you can add it to your sugar syrup. So if you feel like the mothis are little big, you can grind all of them in a pulse mode, but don't grind them when they are hot. Let them cool down completely, then do it in a pulse mode just for one time. See, I have taken all the big chunks and I'll show you how they'll turn out in a pulse mode. See, that's how they look like. I didn't make them into paste. If you have seen, they are like very rough texture. So for 2 cups of besan, I'm taking 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water to make a syrup. So for this, you no need to the syrup should be sticky consistency. It no need to be a string consistency. So boil it until all the sugar dissolves in water. So again, I'm adding a pinch of food color, orange food color. I'm adding cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. See, it is like sticky consistency. So at this stage, I'm adding my mothis. So as I said, if you want even more fine texture, you can make them, you can grind them in a pulse mode, just how I did for the extra big chunks. So I'm adding the chunks as well, like you can grind them coarsely. Then cook them in a low flame for at least 10 to 15 minutes until all the sugar absorbs in it. So please try it. Everybody do like in your home. My kids are already waiting to eat the ladoo. So here I'm adding the dry fruits. I have taken the pista, cashew nuts. So if you have watermelon seeds, you can take them. So I have chopped them. You can chop them or you can do it in the pulse mode the same way. Give it a good mix. So cook until all the water is absorbed to mothis. You can see them. My syrup quantity is reducing. So it's almost done. You can see how it leaves the pan. That means it's almost done. So please keep it in a low flame, otherwise the mothis may burn. So once the syrup is reducing, please keep it in a low flame. So I am switching off the stove now. Now close the lid and just keep it let it cool down little bit for 15 minutes. Don't let it cool down completely. It should be little warm enough to make ladoos. Actually my mixture is still little hot, but don't make it completely cool down. The you couldn't able to make the ladoos. So repeat the procedure. So you can see how good they are. Like, you know, they'll come very nice. You know, need to be, they won't be tough. See, I almost got 30 ladoos for this. I'll show you one piece how they turned out inside. See. So please try in your home. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Happy Diwali.